Good morning, dear student. How are you today?
Good morning, teacher. I'm good, thank you. I want to talk about improving my English speaking.
Of course. That's a wonderful goal. Let's make this learning journey enjoyable. What aspect of speaking English would you like to work on?
I feel a bit nervous when speaking, and sometimes I find it hard to find the right words.
Don't worry, that's completely normal. To improve, let's start with simple daily conversations. What's a common topic you'd like to discuss in English?
Maybe talking about my day or hobbies.
Fantastic choice. So, how was your day today?
My day was good. I woke up, had breakfast, and went to school.
Excellent. Now, let's try to expand on that. Share a bit more about your day. Did you learn something interesting at school?
Yes, we learned about animals today. I like elephants.
Elephants are fascinating. What is it about elephants that you find interesting?
I like their big ears and long trunk. They are very strong.
Absolutely. Elephants are amazing creatures. Now, let's use this to practice forming longer sentences. Can you tell me a sentence about elephants?
Elephants have big ears, a long trunk, and they are very strong.
Wonderful sentence. You see, you're doing great. Now, let's talk about hobbies. What's something you enjoy doing in your free time?
I like playing cricket with my friends.
Cricket is a fantastic sport. Can you tell me a bit more about how you play cricket with your friends?
We play in the park. I bat, and my friend bowls. We have so much fun.
That sounds like a lot of fun indeed. Now, let's try describing your favorite part of playing cricket in a sentence.
My favorite part of playing cricket is hitting the ball and scoring runs with my friends.